Today I'm going to show you a brand new Palm Coast community by Meritage Homes, Colbert Landings. It's just across the Intercoastal Waterway from this amazing beach, Flagler Beach. It's got beautiful, affordable, energy efficient homes, and we're getting started right now. Okay, we're going to get started on our tour. Want to talk to you about the pricing in here with Meritage Homes at Colbert Landing. They are going to run from, the prices are going to run from the mid 300s to the low 400,000s. You can build as small as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house that's 1,500 square feet, or go as large as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house that's 2,200 square feet. And they are all going to have pavered driveways and a pavered back patio. Let's go. Folks, the plan that I'm about to show you is the Orchid plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,193 square feet with a 2-car garage. So you're gonna have this really nice cementitious siding. They have 5 different floor plans, and they have 3 different elevations of each floor plan. Of course, you're gonna have smart lock, smart doorbell. This home is pre-wired for a security system. You're gonna have 8-foot door openings and 9-foot ceilings. You're gonna have wood look tile in the main living area. We're gonna make a turn to the right. Here we have bedroom number 1, which they have set up as an office. I can certainly see why somebody would want to have an office. If you had a 4-bedroom home, why not? Here's your first full bathroom with a tub shower combination. They're going to have quartz countertops in the bathrooms as well as in the kitchen. You have this very nice large flex area here to the right. I want to point out all the windows, of course, have the sensors on them. Like I said, already pre-wired for a security system. Here we have bedroom number 2. Real quick, we're going to put up a Google map so you can see where Colbert Landings community is here in Palm Coast, Florida, in relation to the city of Jacksonville, Florida. It's an hour and 30 minutes from Jacksonville International Airport and MCO, the International Airport in Orlando. It's an hour and 10 minutes from downtown Jacksonville, 5 minutes from Flagler Beach, 5 minutes from a close Publix, and it's only 10 minutes from Target. And if you got a Target close by, what else do you need, right? Okay, I'm gonna point up at the ceiling. What do you see up there? That is spray foam insulation. Yes, they put spray foam insulation in the attic and all of the exterior walls. So this home is basically built like a really well insulated cooler. I won't say what brand it is, but you know what brand those really cool cups and coolers are. This is kind of similar to that in terms of its energy efficiency. It's going to keep the house really cool when it's hot outside and keep it nice and warm inside when it's cold outside. Also, all of the exterior walls have 2x6s in them instead of 2x4s, 2x6s. Bigger wood, stronger, all good. Of course, I'm sure you notice the size of these openings here going across the hall. This will be the entrance out to your garage. This will be bedroom number 3. Nice window blinds, Yes, the window blinds can be negotiated as part of the deal. Yes. Nice hall closet here. Part of your security system is pre-wired. Smart thermostat. Looking at the large living area here, we're going to make a quick turn to the left. Here you have your washer and dryer. Mechanical closet. That's for all your data stuff. Lines. Washer and dryer can be negotiated. Yes, part of the deal. Here we are in the primary bedroom. Continued on with the tile here. Quartz counters. Nice walk-in shower with a tiled shower pan. Of course, there's your water closet and a large walk-in closet. We are back in the main living area. Of course, you got nice can lights that are standard in the ceiling. Motion sensor is part of your security system. Nice side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator. Again, can be negotiated as part of the deal. Tiled backsplash, white shaker cabinets. There's your pantry. Really nice kitchen island with a deep sink, undermount deep sink. There's your pantry. Here they have this set up as like a eating area, dining area, cafe area. And then wanted to add that they do have preserved lots in this neighborhood. Looking at the back patio. And here we are on the back patio, which has pavers. And you got a nice preserved lot in behind. Okay, so I showed you that clip so that you can see what the community looks like while it's still being built up. As you can see, there's a lot of pipes over there. Some are for water, some are for sewer, but the roads have been in, they've been paved. What do you see nothing of overhead here? You see no overhead utilities. They're all underground. So, you know, and when there's weather events and things like that, why do you think it helps your power to stay on? Because you have underground utilities, that's why. They also have really good water and drainage in communities like this. They're designed that way. It doesn't happen by accident, it's all planned out and it's engineered. This community has a really nice amenity center that's going to be going in with a pool, pickleball courts, all that stuff. Is that stuff free? No, of course not. And does it have to be maintained? Yes, it does. Do lawns have to be mowed? Yes. So all that stuff is part of what's called a CDD. People ask me, what is a CDD, Jay? A CDD is something that you're going to pay in a community much like this one, and in probably 90% of communities in Northeast Florida that have really nice amenity centers and nice neighborhoods like this, you will pay a CDD. It's going to run somewhere around $2,000 or so, sometimes higher depending on the neighborhood with larger lots. It's based on the lot size. That's a part of your tax bill. That's a line item on your tax bill. So when you have an escrow account for your mortgage, that is part of your monthly payment, because you're paying your taxes and insurance through your escrow. If you put less than 20% down on a house, you do. That's part of your monthly payment. I have a lot of people that ask me, you know, why do those exist? Well, because the builder works a deal out with the county and the state. They pull a bond and it pays for all this infrastructure and all the goodies and all the amenities and communities such as this one. Do you have to buy in a community like this one? No, you don't. It's a choice. You can either pick it or not pick it. But if you want to have a house that's $400,000 or less in Palm Coast, Florida, that's less than 5 minutes from Flagler Beach, you might want to consider it. Nocatee has a CDD, Shearwater has a CDD, Seven Pines has a CDD. All of those, you know, Rivertown has a CDD. They all do. But you know that it's part of your taxes, and it does help pay for other things like roadways nearby the community, traffic lights, first responders, all that stuff. So that's just a quick discussion of what a CDD is, and I wanted you to see this community while it's being built and what's going on, and that's that. Let's get back to the tour. Again, we're at the early stages of this community, Colbert Landing. I wanted to show it to you early on so you can get in here early on, get a lot picked out early on, get a build going early on, quick move in. They're permitting a lot of the homes right now, so they're going to be releasing. And you know, if you bought now, you would be able to move in probably around by September time. So let me show you the amenity center real quick. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this. So you have a tot lot, you have pickleball courts, you have a open lawn area, you have a clubhouse, and you've got, of course, a beautiful swimming pool. Coming soon to Colbert Landing.